Alright, the Desk Pro's hard drive's acting up. Gotta boot right now. It's gonna be a little difficult to hear over the sound of the power supply fan. It's quite loud. So just listen close. Still trying to boot, it's just at a blinking cursor. Normally would have been able to boot twice by now. Getting as close as I can to this thing. You can see the light. Oh, and there we go. Sector not found. I'll just hit ignore. And now we're thrown into DOS. You can see it failed to load PDPaint OVR. Directory command will still work. So we're running right now. Claims to have 388.0960 bytes free, which doesn't really make sense. It's a 20 meg drive. I'd show you, but there's still stuff on here I haven't cleaned out from the previous owner. I just hate dealing with DOS directories. I'll try to load PCPaint though. I'll just show you the C prompt and that's it. You can see there the weird bytes free amount. Again, it should have loaded it by now. It's just stuck though. Wider now than it was. Eventually just gonna throw set. Yeah, there. Just did it. Sector not found error. Come on, give me back a C prompt. Uh-oh. Locked up. Sector not found. Oh, no, that's just the previous error. I have to reset. I'm gonna reset. Now what it would do when I'd run diagnostics is it would start testing things, and it did like one test and it was fine, and then on the second test it just locked up. Oh, drive just spun back up. That's another thing it does now. It'll just suddenly restart itself. Yeah, it's gonna boot from floppy now, which I want because I want to run diagnostics. Alright. I'm gonna run test. This is that thing go. I love this drive. Stickers come off. Alright, I wanna... Unfortunately, there's no option to just run hard drive tests, so I have to go through everything else first, so... It's detecting everything. Fixed drive C, type 2, 20 megabyte. Are all the installed devices listed? Yes. I'm just gonna speed through all this stuff. Run the test once. Processor. It's just gonna do some random stuff. I want to get through this because this is when that drive really started making a lot of noise, which is very abnormal. Ready? Sorry for everyone's ears. Oh, I have to hit yes. There we go. It's going to do RAM tests on my 640K. Alright. Keyboard, no. This is just going to bring up a keyboard menu. There we go. Press and hold down the F1 key when the next message appears. Alright, there we go. Parallel port, no. We won't be able to test it. Diskette drives. Just gonna take out the floppy disk for this. It's gonna error, but whatever. I don't have a blank disk. Now. I hear a weird noise. All of a sudden, this drive just got louder. It was always that loud. I'm not sure. I might just be crazy. It's gonna test a serial port. Won't be able to. Oh, guess it can. Here we go. Fixed drives. Checking drive C. Sort of the dinging in the background. So right now you can see it went through test 1 and then did test 2 and got stuck. Driver's light is stuck on. And I feel like it spun down. Just gonna leave it. Oh. Yeah, it spun down. Spun down again. And yeah, eventually it will pass it and go on to head 1 on cylinder 6, and then eventually it'll go on to the next cylinder. But it's like, it's real slow. Still quiet, mind you. Out of any other drive, this would be normal. Well, not the spinning up and spinning down, but I can't tell if it's the platter motor having trouble spinning or the heads. I think it's the heads. And yeah, you can see after that it went on to head 1. There we go. Spun itself down again. Re-spinning up. And it'll just continue doing this. I left it on for like a half hour. Listen to that thing. It's making a weird noise. And yeah, it'll slowly progress. It doesn't error out or anything, but it's so slow. And now it's making a weird noise. So I guess the next step is just to open it up. There we go. And again, it'll just continue doing that. I'm ending this video now. Shutting the poor thing off. Put my disc back in there. And yeah, so the S Pro's hard drive's failing. Good things about opening it up. First of all, we'll know what the inside looks like. These are very weird drives. I mean, I haven't ever seen the inside. I don't think anyone has, really. At least not on the internet. So that's one benefit, and also I'll be able to hopefully fix it. I'll at least be able to take a look at it while it's running, because again, it's a 20 meg drive. It won't kill it to open it. It's just constructed very strangely. Anyways, thanks for watching. This video was mainly requested by C:/DOS, and I would have ended up eventually making this anyway, but yeah. That's going to be it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see everyone later.